So you just bought yourself a brand new car and now you want to protect that investment. And the first thing you want is to protect the exterior paint color from chipping and scratching from your daily driving. Well, how do you choose a clearball installation company for your new car? Well, I'm Dean Soleimani, this is Sticker City, and I want to give you my top 10 list of items to look for before you pick a clearball installation company. Number 1, you want to look up their Yelp and Google reviews. A good shop should be about 4 to 5 stars with a large amount of reviews. That means like 15, at least a minimum of about 15 reviews. You also want to look for long history of records so that you can see that they've been around for many years. Number 2, call the shop and ask them questions about the price and their key points. See if they are knowledgeable about the product. You want the clearball service to be their main or top 2 services that they offer. Usually a company that does just these 2, they become a master of just doing clearball. Some companies hire outside help and you can't tell what quality you will get because you don't know what installer is going to come out to them to do your car. Number 3, go to the shop. See if it's a real facility. It has a location that they could work at. They have all the right tools, right plotters, right equipment before they get to your car. Number 4, what type of cars are around? Look around. The first thing you should notice is the type of cars. Cars like yours are better, high-end vehicles? Great. If they're high-end vehicles, then you know that company is trustworthy because other people are trusting them with it. Number 5, is the shop clean and organized? A more organized shop shows a level of meticulousness and shows you where the mindset is at. Cleanliness is a big part of doing a clearball, so you want to make sure that they're clean and organized. Number 6, ask the sales staff to show you their installation quality. You want to pay close attention to see how they were tucked in on around the hood and fenders area. Also look closer to the bumpers to see where the butt seams are at. Those are very important aspects of looking for clearball quality. Number 7, ask the sales staff how many installers they have working for the shop. Usually a good installer is just focused on doing the clearball service and that's it. Usually if that's what they do, that's who you're probably gonna be your best bet on who you wanna pick. Ask how many years the installer has been doing the service and to show you each installer's quality of work. At that point, you can determine who's best for you. Number 8, do they have a ramp or lift to place the car on? If a company is using a lift or ramp, that means they really do care about the quality of the work and they have invested in that. As an installer, it's much easier to work on a ramp or lift, so the quality changes because of that. This is why I've identified that as number 8. Number 9, is installation being done in an enclosed area and is the room hot or warm? The reason you want an enclosed area is because you don't want dust or debris to come in underneath the clearball while they're doing the installation. If there's less debris, that generally means better quality outcomes. The heat is also a sign that the film is easier to work with and it lays down quicker, leading to a better installation. Number 10, last but not least, is to look to see if there's happy people working. I'm a big fan of happy people doing better work than stressed, unhappy people. This is sometimes hard to tell in just a few minutes, but you can usually get a good feel of a place if you focus on it. All right, now you're ready to protect your new investment and your baby before you hit the road. Go get your clearball done. If you like my top 10 list, please subscribe to our channel as we're giving more how-tos and what to look for. Subscribe down below, give us a like, comment, tell us what else you'd like from us.
Sticker City, keeping your cars looking pretty and brand new. Sticker City, for your Teslas, Porsches, Ferraris, they got